But to do this, and we have a lot of data, I can actually show you. Okay, so I have given you multiple times this example, ASR dot IITM dot AC dot IN, right? And so this is basically you have text many things. So we are going today to look at the text to speech part. So see, now you have choice whether you want to generate a male voice or a female voice in whichever language you want. I am not good at typing Hindi, so okay, let me go and synthesize it. Okay, so let me, right, so I'll just choose Hindi. You know, मैं आज इनको एक ASR सिस्टम की डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दे रहा हूँ. Okay, actually I'm not speaking properly, so it should be एक ASR it became, that's okay. Let me say a simple sentence, you know, what do you call, क्या आप हिंदी अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं, something like that. Okay, क्या आप हिंदी अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, Control C, and then let me see if I can synthesize. Now remember, I don't have here by default we have only two speakers. We have trained it for one male speaker and one female speaker. So I can just put this male ka choice and then it should synthesize. So you can say synthesize speech.
क्या आप हिंदी अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं?
Okay, or if I choose a female speaker, then I can synthesize that again. Okay, maybe it's not working. I don't know. What happened? It should not take this long. Maybe I'll just put it. Okay, sorry. Let me just Hindi sometimes, you know, this is running on a lab server, so it might not be perfect. Okay.
क्या आप हिंदी अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं?
Okay, so you get a different voice, right? And I can, so this is all properly synthesized and built by people like you and other students, right?